Okay guys, we're going to go through this quickly. So this week looks like there's some potential for reversals coming up, but I wouldn't be in a rush to hop on them. The dollar has been dropping hard and the other pairs have been, reacting in reverse of that. So we're just going to keep an eye on that as we go along today. This is still in a downtrend on the 4 hour, so I would expect a pullback and possibly further drop into the bottom. And this is the USD CHF, GBP, USD. Looking at this one, it may do a push to the top first before coming back down. It is sitting at a strong resistance level, but that doesn't mean anything. I think right now it's more political stuff that's driving the markets than not. So if it pushes higher, it may come into this area of the 37.088 area. And let's check this one here. Same thing is showing weakness as far as stopping right here, but it could push back higher and try to reach back into this zone, which is going to be up here to match this area up here. So be on the lookout. It could reverse here, but it could pop up into the 1.17537. So that's what I'm looking at. Now I'll shrink this so we can kind of see these zones a little bit better. See this zone right here? So if it stops here and drop, that'd be nice. But if not, and it pushes through here past the 1.17148, then the next one I'm looking at is 1.17537 into this range right here on the 4 hour time frame. And for those who have the Easy MT5, you have all these trading systems, you have the same thing, so you'll see it. So if we don't get a drop here and we get a break above here, then the next one will be up into this level where it'll look like it'll be a nice sale area. All right, next one, USD JPY. Let's take a look at that one. Right here, I don't see much of anything that I like, but it does have potential to push forward. So if the dollar gains strength, it could stop in this range right here in this buy zone and push up higher. Okay, this one has just been dropping off the map, as you guys can see. So I don't have any predictions on this one as well. I will leave this one alone. USD CAD. AUD USD, same thing. You see it's pushing up into that red zone, which is right here. So it could push higher up into this level, but it may stay within this range right here, which is what we're looking at. If it stays within this range throughout the week, towards midweek or whatever, if I start seeing, get a 15-minute drop arrow on this after a push higher, then we could be looking for a potential sale to match this level right there. EG, nothing there. I'm not a big fan of EG. AUD, Euro AUD is dropping right back into this sell zone. So if this level holds, we could have a sharp pull back up to the upside. If it breaks through, then we look into a downside potentially of 1.61934. But that's a pretty steep drop. This is a strong level that we see right here. So you can see it's respected this level before. So it could respect this zone right here, as we can see right there. Okay, all right, next one, USD Swiss, always a trending pair. So if you're a trend trader, stay with the CHF pairs, always strong trending pairs. But however, it did break through and dropped a bit. So here was where it is. See that strong trend line right there being respected. Price dropped through it and then pop right back above it. So I will keep an eye on it and see. But with this inner trend line, you can see from right here to here that there was a trend line right there as well. And price action broke below this trend line and popped right back up. So we got an inner trend line and an outer trend line. Here's the main trend. Here's the smaller trend. So it broke through there, immediately popped back up. So if it breaks back below this trend line here, we could be looking for downside pressure. And that's Euro Swiss. All right. This one here has been ridiculous. I don't understand what we're looking at here, so I don't want to touch it. But I'm assuming that if it breaks out of this channel right here, the JPY, if it breaks out of this channel and gives us a drop out of that break, as you can see, it's softening right there. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this. Let me try to move this up a little bit more. And I'm missing the game, so I got to hurry up. All right, so as you guys can see, that's pretty much what it's looking like. So if it breaks below here and gives a pullback, we're looking for a sell on this pair right here, and that's the Euro JPY. All right, same thing right here. It broke through just like the Euro Swiss. It's the same thing. GBP Swiss did the same exact pattern. Okay, broke through and came back up. Same exact pattern. So it could pull back up and drop this week. This pattern is given the same as Euro JPY, and I'm assuming all the JPY pairs are doing the same thing. All right, so let's keep moving. AUD CAD, nothing there. It's choppy and sloppy. Nothing there. This one is given the same pattern again as the Euro Swiss. This one is given the same thing. It's just popping through. Now the AUD is a strong pair. It's been going donkers, so I'm skeptical on that one. This one I don't know, so we'll leave that alone. Okay. And this one looks like it can continue back down further. So I would look for a sell on this one here. I'm just looking at this area right here where it's just meandering in between. And since this is in a downtrend, that's where I'm expecting it to go. So it could hold it here, but if not, it'll drop into this next territory. And that would be into, if it breaks through here and breaks through this strong support level, then we're looking at it going here to 1.9216 area, something like that. Okay, so either way it goes, I'm not looking for a buy on this one, no time soon, not yet. I don't trust it. This one could, I'm seeing slant patterns which pop up, slant, pop up, slant, but we'll see how deep this slant goes. It could come all the way down and retest this bottom and then pop up or stop right here. But either way it goes, Euro CAD may be going up this week. All right, this is another Swiss pair, so it's doing the same as the Euro Swiss. Same with this one. Now, see, this is why I'm careful, because you don't know where this is going to stop. So you see where this one says it stopped right here? Okay, but look at this one. See, it could keep on going. So this is why we just got to be careful, guys. It's better to be in the trend right now than to try to reverse it, okay? And I think that's pretty much it. We ran through all of these, so yeah, we're good to go. Okay, so anyway, listen, if you want to get copied on our trades, last week was a really rough week. There was a lot of behind the scenes economic news that hit the markets, but if you guys want to get copied on our trades, then go to supereasycopycat.com. If you want the same trading tools and many more, which, by the way, Simplicity is going to be getting a facelift. I might even rename it. The Simplicity and Simplicity Scanner, we adding filters and different things to it and giving it a facelift. It's been years since everybody used it. Many people have been successful with it, but I'm going to do some improvements. So I'm working on a EA that will automatically take a trade for us, and so I'll probably rename it something different because, like I said, it's going to have a facelift to it as far as the mechanics of what's making it trigger alerts and things like that. Plus, it'll be automated, so it'll take trades for you. You don't even have to be there. So I'm working on that along with some filters that can be added to it. I'm also working on another indicator for the trading view as well. So if you want these trading tools and many more that will be coming, sign up for easymt5.com if you're an independent trader. But again, if you want to get copied on our trades, just go to supereasycopycat.com. You can check out this quick video to see how it works. Now, if you're a futures trader and you want to get copied on our trades, then please go right here to futurix.com. And once you go to futurix.com, if you want to trade live with Miss Jenny because you're new and want to learn how to trade from a professional six-figure trader, then you want to go right here and sign up for the New York session. If you just want my trade alerts, then sign up for the Asian session. It also comes with a free indicator. You can play the short video to see how the free indicator works. But that is our website for the futures market, futurix.com. Okay? All right, you guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the middle of the week.